Hello and welcome to Binary Options video. Today's video is Binary Options Trading Lesson number 2. And in lesson number 2 we're going to try to define what binary options are from a technical point. First of all, what you need to know is binary options are a financial derivative. A financial derivative is an investment tool that derives from an asset, but it's not the actual asset, it's not the asset itself. Now, that's not very complicated to understand. We'll give you an example, and this way you understand better what we're talking about. Let's say that you're going to purchase a Google binary option. Are you actually purchasing the actual stock of Google? No, you're not purchasing the actual stock. What you are doing is that you're purchasing the option to speculate on the oscillation of the stock. In this case of the Google stock, you're just purchasing the option to make a prediction. Let's explain this a little bit better, and for that we'll first tell you what are the 4 types of assets. There's stocks, currencies like the US dollar or the Canadian dollar, so on and so forth. There's indices like the Nasdaq index, and there's commodities. We'll explain a bit more about those in a minute. Now, what are you going to be buying? Well, binary option is a contract that gives you the right to predict the short-term simplified financial result of an asset. Let's break that down. It's a contract, which means that basically when you're paying for a binary option, you're receiving in return the right to make a prediction. That prediction is very short term. It's going to be somewhere between a couple of minutes and half an hour in most cases, and the prediction you make is a simplified financial result, which means whatever asset you chose, is it going to go up in value or down in value in the next few minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour, whatever the expiry of the option points to. So that's all you have to do. Make that type of prediction. And the process is like this. You're going to choose an asset. You're going to choose the investment value, how much you want to invest on this binary option. And then you're going to predict the outcome. Will the asset go up or down in value in the next few minutes? What happens next? Well, the option expires on the expiration time that is predefined. And if it is an accurate prediction, you have a very high yield. You receive a lot of money. And if the prediction that you made is incorrect, you're going to lose most of the investment that you made. So how much are you going to earn or how much you're going to lose depends on how much you invested. If you invested $1,000 in a binary option and you got it right, you're going to earn, for example, $800 in a few minutes. But if you invest $100 on the same option at the same time and you are right, you're going to only earn $80 because that's proportional to the amount of money you invested. $80 for $100 investment is excellent. No matter how you look at it, 80% is a lot. Why are binary options called binary? Well, exactly because of what we explained now. Binary, the meaning of the word binary, well, the simple meaning of definition is composed of 2. Binary is something that is composed of 2, and here we have only 2 possible results. Either your prediction is right or it's wrong. There's no other way to go. That's why they're called binary options, also known as digital options. And how much should you invest in binary options? Well, that is something for you to decide. Now, we can't give you really a recommendation because it varies so much on what your situation is, but you have to remember a few things. First of all, this is a high-risk investment, so remember that for sure, and read a little bit, learn a little bit more about this in our other videos. It does require some knowledge to succeed, so if you're not prepared to learn a little bit, just remember that your chances of success are very low, but it can be very profitable. So if you do take your time to learn a little bit about how to go about trading binary options, you can be very successful. Normally, people will start with about $200 to $500. If you want to get more tools and more help from your broker, you probably want to start at about $1,000. That will give you an account that will be given more help and more assistance with. Where do you want to invest your money? Well, that's a very important thing. You want to invest your money with a licensed broker that offers you tutorials, that offers you financial guidance, and has an experience and professionalism. And that seems like a very basic thing, but that really means that there's a very, very few brokers that would fit that bill and that would give you all those things. Now, we're going to be recommending the Easy Trader broker because it is a reliable broker. Why? Well, first of all, it's regulated in Europe, and there's only like 5 or 6 brokers in the world that are regulated in Europe. It's quoted on the Nasdaq over-the-counter bulletin board, also known as the OTCBB Nasdaq quote. And this is the only broker in the world that is quoted on Nasdaq. It's the only broker in the world that's truly considered a financial institution in the United States. That's why it accepts American clients as opposed to most brokers who do not. It has an excellent education center, excellent advisors, so that's a great thing. It has trading plans, which means that each trading plan has different benefits, different advantages, and you can choose one that fits your profile as an investor. So that's definitely something that will help you. So Easy Trader, a safe place to make a deposit with. Let's summarize lesson number 2 of binary options trading. Remember the following. Each binary option is a contract that allows you to predict an outcome. That's all there is to it. It's a contract that allows you to predict an outcome. If you're right, you're going to receive a large payout, and if you're wrong, you're going to lose money. So those are the 2 options right there. That's why it's called binary, and we suggest that you learn about the different types of options in lesson number 3, in video lesson number 3. And good luck with your trading.